As we get further away from civilization, from the hustle and bustle of daily life, I can't help but to relax. I feel calmed, at peace. I feel more at home in places like this than I do in the four walls of my apartment. Being here is the reminder I need that there's beauty in simplicity, and a slower pace creates higher quality in our experiences. Have you ever noticed how food cooked outdoors tastes better over an open fire or a camp stove?
Yay!
Maybe that's just my experience.
You're a ruthless beggar. Ruthless, I tell ya.
Just enjoying a nice beer by the fire. It's moments like these I'm filled with gratitude for the life I've been blessed with.
I see you.
We are inside of our little camper, window open, and you can hear the river rushing, and it's super cozy, and yeah, super excited. Coffee is my morning ritual. Mornings are my favorite time of day. They are my opportunity for solitude, reflection, gently moving and awakening my body. I'll leave you with this reminder today. Take a few minutes and slow down. Find joy in the little things. If you enjoy my visual storytelling, click like or subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching.